Hello, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily disable widgets in Windows 11. Widgets are those pop-up panels with weather, news, and other updates that appear when you hover over the taskbar. While some users find them handy, others prefer a cleaner desktop experience. Luckily, turning them off is fast and simple. Let's get started. Open the Start menu and type Settings in the search bar. Click on the Settings app from the search results. On the left sidebar, click on Personalization. On the right side, scroll down and click on Taskbar. Under Taskbar items, find Widgets and toggle it off. This will remove the widget icon from your taskbar. That's all you need to do. Pretty straightforward process. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. I hope it helped you. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.